Michael Victor Ruggiero, landscape architect and arborist. This video is part of a series that focuses on plants that are resistant to deer prowls. The focus is on low shrubs, perennials, and annuals. And while most of the images shown are from coastal communities, the plants will also grow inland throughout the New York metro area and along the eastern seaboard. Most of the footage will be from coastal and beach communities. These communities mostly have sand-based soils. And for most plants, if they can take sand-based soils, they can also thrive in richer loam soils found in inland areas. So the information in the videos will be relevant for the entire metropolitan region, as well as all the states along the northeast seaboard. This episode peers into colored foliage plants that offer alternatives to plants like Andromeda and Boxwood, evergreens well known to be resistant and routinely combined to create admirable settings. Plants introduced in this episode will accentuate even these settings and further provide means for exciting color compositions in areas accessible to deer. First, woody shrubs. First of these is the widely resistant red Japanese barberry. Available in various mature sizes, it's one of the easiest and most durable plants, withstanding salt and many soils, just not wet ones. A close relative is the gold Japanese barberry. Next to each other, they create as vibrant a pair that two plants can muster. Both have upright cultivars for specimen or formal use. Their potential drawback is their origin. The straight Japanese barberry, the green-leaved shrub here, is highly invasive, known by many. An important question is, are the red or gold barberries some or at all invasive? Back to our lineup. The Colorado Blue Spruce is resilient to seaside sand, salt spray, and deer browse, and do well in containers. Here, shrub forms are lifted above ground, subject to frequent floods. The low-growing Gold Coast Juniper is an evergreen particularly suited for seashore planting. Its look-alike on the mainland is the Gold Threadleaf FalsecYparis. Juniper resistance will be discussed more in the evergreen shrub episode. These accent shrubs are widely available in zones 4 through 8. The Blue Spruce is hardiest to zone 2. Now on to grasses. Blue lime grass is a vigorous ground cover whose striking silver-blue foliage is effective with other grasses and accent plants. It spreads fast in many growing conditions though, and thus a plant to keep watch or contain. Its wheat-like flowers stand 1 foot above 2 foot high foliage. A more manageable alternative to the lime grass is blue oat grass, which grows in compact evergreen clumps. It is reliably attractive alone or in groups, with flowers effective all summer and year-round. Variegated silvergrass is a standard cream or white accent grass, its blades highlighted with creamy white stripes. Graceful, with white plumes in late summer, it is a big, clump grower to 6 feet in height, with a dwarf form that reaches just 3 feet. Neither appear to have the invasive tendencies of other Miscanthus selections. Its more ground cover counterpart is the running, vigorous ribbongrass. Easily grown in sun or part shade, it tolerates a wide range of soils from dry to wet. Because it will grow in several inches of water, ribbongrass is especially valuable for flood-prone areas. Like limegrass, watch for invasiveness. For shady areas, yellow forest grass is a colorful ground cover with thin stems that hold bright yellow leaves. Spreading slowly in small clumps, it is great in containers or in borders. Rabbits love it, so if they are a problem, here are glimpses at 2 alternatives. Slowly spreading in clumps also, golden sedge thrives in wet or constantly moist soil. Other sedges, shown later in the series, have white and blue accent foliage. Although dwarf, this running bamboo can still run out of control, so watch it. Low-growing bamboos will be covered more in the bamboo episode of this series. Like the common green yucca, golden sword has tall white blooms, but its leaves are boldly striped with yellow. In containers or planted by themselves in gardens, yuccas also create contrasts in texture. Purple fountain grass is the most popular grass with red and purple leaves. With flowers all summer, it is striking as a specimen or grouped. While a perennial in warmer zones, it provides quick annual color in any climate. Newer red plants worth considering are New Zealand flaxes, which come in a range of sizes and colors, and Dracaena palms. Okay, now I'm going to show you how impressive and robust these accent plants look together in a garden. Our location is in Manhattan, New York City, in Hudson River Park. And of course, there are no deer present here, but the garden designer chose to work with a palette of vibrant plants that are deer resistant, and the results are strikingly beautiful, which you'll see in a second. I'll name which plants concern us. The accents red barberry, blue spruce, golden falscyparis, and the golden sword yuccas of this episode are prominent in these plantings. Some of the perennials here, catnip, salvia, anise hyssop, and tickseed, will be seen in the episode on perennials. Also abundant here are various ornamental grasses and the common evergreen, boxwood. A visit to this garden to see these attractive resistant plants is very much worth the time and effort. It's conveniently located in Manhattan along the West Side Highway and West 23rd Street, immediately north of Chelsea Street Works Complex. Okay, see you next time for perennials and annuals. Thank you for listening.